The attack on the innocent and hapless tourist at Baisaran near Pahalgam town in Anantnag district, which was carried out on 22nd April 2025, is literally singled out from the other terrorist attacks which were carried out in the past after beginning of the terrorism in the valley in the 90s. My dear listeners, you see, it happened for the first time that the innocent tourists who gathered at that verdant and green lush meadow, which is dubbed as a mini Switzerland, were gunned down after checking into their religious identity. It is really disgusting. It is a sort of a genocide. It is a sort of ethnic cleansing that signals, and therefore you must be very cautious in days to come, because such acts has been being done by the behest of the Pakistan to disturb the communal harmony or the communal unity in our country. As you know, Pakistan is trying its level best to disturb the peace which has been earned after years of hard efforts in Jammu and Kashmir, post repealation, post abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, which started showing the economy booming and economy is flourishing in Jammu and Kashmir. And therefore, many think that to disturb the peace, the terrorists carried out this attack. Our Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, who was on Bihar visit within 48 hours after this incident, what he said, I would like to quote. Prime Minister of India said, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the end of the earth. India's spirit will not be broken by the terrorism, and terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done, and the entire nation is firm in this resolve, what the PM Narendra Modi has said. Prime Minister at another one point of time has said India is determined to deliver a crushing blow to the terrorism. PM was quoted as saying by one government official after attending his CCS meeting. At another forum, Prime Minister of India has said, "समय सीमित है, लक्ष्य बड़े है." This all signals a very massive, reaction by India in days to come.